electricity system bumping. I came back from the block. Don't talk down. I got my Glock. Time no stop for no hater. I'm coming up like a skyscraper. I'm so high, I'm so low. Money I get it, I thought you know. I'm bad bitch, east side. Coming down suicide doors as I ride. Candy paint on everything that I own. East side motherfucker sitting on my throne. What's the fucking deal? What's the fucking chill? I'm just coming down, nigga, and I'm gripping wood wheel. I swing to the left, swing to the right. Sipping my Drake, drop the top, I'm out of sight. I'm just swinging to the left, swinging to the right. Sipping my drink, then I drop my top all night. And I be coming back for more. Stepping with my warfare. I don't give a fuck about this game and it ain't fair. Who cares? I really don't. I got that kind of smoke that'll gon' make you choke. I'm just saying it, don't play in it. Nobody wanna say this shit, but I'm coming back, rearranging and going and changing shit. They never heard me spit, but it's okay, cause one day I'ma be rich, too legit to quit. That's what I've been told. That's why I'm walking around with my pistol. I mean, they just don't know what I just got to say. So I'm coming down, swinging down the boulevard like every day. And I'm sipping, I'm leaning, I'm drinking, I'm sipping, I'm rolling, I'm doing all this other shit. These niggas wish they can do it, but nah. Nope, they can't do it like me. One and only Queen Bee, can never clone me. See? I told you, I told you, I told you. I already tried to told you before nigga pistol hold it, yeah. I mean, I don't sound rude, I'm just kinda cocky like Kanye, what to do, I need a bad bitch, I got a few bottles, I got that gas pedal in my Mercedes. Coming up and I say, fuck you, pay me. You already know what's up with it, yeah, ladies. Bottles, ace of spades, diamonds in my chain. I'm walking around, bitch, and you know you like the bang. And you hear that shit knocking, you hear that shit thumping. East side, come to here, let me tell you something. I got it like I do when I come through in the club, and I'm like you and you. Who should I fucking choose? 'Cause I really don't know. All I know is that I'm sipping off the liquor that I'm sipping so slow. So go let it play. Now tell me what you like. Go ahead, tell me about your day. Hey, hey, now drop it to the flow. Tell me what you working with. Now go drop it low. Go. Now pick it up slow. Pick it up now. Pick it up slow. Oh. I say now go drop it low. Pick it up now. Drop it low. Go girl.